Updating your personal information on Acorns is essential to ensure your account remains accurate and secure. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Acorns app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on this to view your current details. Step 4. Edit your information. Choose the specific information you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Enter the new details and ensure they are correct. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information up to date on Acorns. Regular updates help maintain the security and accuracy of your account.